Bizkaia maite atzo goizean ikusi zindudan soineko xuriz jantzia buruan orlegi bihotzean suaban nere gogoaren ertzatik pasatzen zure busain gozoa lana amodioa itxasoan nere baitan sartzen atzo goizean entzun nuen zure berbaren oihartzuna zure kantaren fedeka bihotzean kilika eta goia hartzunaren handitasunean murgilduz joan nintzen jauzika ekaka Bartarratxean arbasoen baratzaren ondoan bertxotan eta dantzan lotu zinen alai piperreta gatzan Xabele manko Bizkaia maiten atzo goizean ikusi zindudan soineko xuriz jantzia buruan orlegi bihotzean suaban olerkari penatuaren gozo eta minia amodio eta kanta zure berbalegu zure gatzaren bizian zure burdinaren horia dira gau niretzat aterbe Bizkaia maite atzo goizean ikusi zindudan soineko xuriz jantzia buruan orlegi bihotzean suan lirain sendo bede
sweet love, oh my love, my sweet love. Really wanna see you, really wanna be with you. I wanna see you, Lord, it takes so long, my love, oh my sweet love. My sweet love, oh my love, really wanna know you, I wanna go with you, I wanna show you, Lord, that it won't take long, my love, my sweet love, my sweet love. Sweet love,
Shiver in the dark, it's raining in the park, but meantime sound of the river, you stop and you hold everything. A band is blowing Dixie, double fall time. You feel alright when you hear the music ring. Well, now you step inside, but you don't see too many faces. Coming in out of the rain and hear the jazz go down. Competition in other places, but the horns, they blow in that sound. Way on down south, way on down south, London town. Check out Guitar George, he knows all the chords. But he's strictly rhythm, he doesn't wanna make it cry or sing. If then an old guitar is all he can afford, he gets up under the lights to play his thing. Then Harry doesn't mind if he doesn't make the scene. He's got a daytime job, he's doing alright. He can play the honky-tonk like anything, saving it up Friday night with the Sultans, with the Sultans of Swing. And a crowd of young boys, they're fooling around in the corner, drunk and dressed in their best brown baggies in their platform soles. They don't give a damn about any trumpet playing band. It ain't what they call rock and roll. And the Sultans, yeah, the Sultans that play Creole. Creole. And the man steps right up to the microphone. He says it last just as the time bell rings. Good night, now it's time to go home. Then he makes it fast with one more thing. We are the Sultans, we are the Sultans of Swing.
the color of my room where I will live. Blue, blue.
Pale blinds drawn all day.
Nothing to read, nothing to say. Blue, blue. I will sit right down,
Waiting for the gift of sound and vision.
and I will sing.
Waiting for the gift of sound and vision.
Drifting into my solitude. Over my head,
Don't you wonder sometimes about sound and vision?
I don't like ill-bit, stoned or stupid, drunk and disorderly, I ain't no Cupid. 2 years ago today I was arrested on Christmas Eve. I don't want pain, I wanna walk, not be carried. I don't wanna give it up, I wanna stay married. I ain't no dog, tied to a parked car. Sensations. Ooh, new sensation. Talking about some new sensations. I want the principles of a timeless muse. I want to eradicate my negative views and get rid of those people who are always on the down. It's easy enough to tell what is wrong, but that's not what I wanna hear all night long. Some people are like human to an all. Sensations. Ooh, new sensations. Talking about some new sensations. I took my GPZ out for a ride. The engine felt good between my thighs. The air felt cold, it was 40 degrees outside. I rode to Pennsylvania near the Delaware Gap. Sometimes I got lost and had to check the map. I stopped at a roadside diner for a burger and a Coke. There were some country folk and some hunters inside. Somebody got themselves married and somebody died. I went to the jukebox and played a hillbilly song. They was arguing about football as I waved and went outside, and I headed for the mountains feeling warm inside. I love that GPZ so much, you know that I could kiss her. Ooh, new sensations. Ooh, new sensations. Sensations. Talking new sensations.